just do this with my eyes closed. Watch. All right, son, I'm gonna show you how I cut my hair. You've been seeing me do this for a while, but I've never really explained it to you and didn't even explain to you why I hardly ever go to the barber. Let's brush and talk. So when I was in high school, my mom, while growing up, my mom didn't really have money to take us to the barber, so she would cut our hair. And with 4 kids, it would be very expensive to take them all to the barber, especially with the money she was making. So she would cut our hair. And then in high school, I was like, Mom, I didn't like Mom's hairstyles anymore and didn't want to get teased or anything like that. So I started learning to cut my own. So I will not be using these. I'll be using this. Okay. This is a pair of clippers, electric clippers, and let's see. All that hair already. Now I can start blending. Just open this up a little bit more. The adjustment. And start going up. Actually, I'm going to close a little bit more. And I just start going up in the area where the line is for a quick and easy blend. Now, I'm not saying I do a better job than a barber, but I don't do a bad job. If I see anything that needs to be fixed, I can. Alright, so I'm going to trim my beard a little bit now too. I'm going to open this up. So now I'm going to do myself a little trim. And for that, I'm going to use 2 things now. First, to line myself up, usually I use, where is it? Usually I use one of these trimmers, an outliner, to be able to outline. For some reason, this isn't working well, and I don't really have time to mess with it and fix it. So for the longest, I've used these before as my outliner, and then my handy dandy razor to finish it off. So that's what I'm going to do today. Make my line. Basic line. My head is weird because it's not even, so it's always challenging, even for barbers, because they really have to create a good line because my natural line isn't good. So I don't try to do too much bring it out, or it's gonna look real weird. So sometimes less is more. I'm gonna go with that for now. More water. And I'm gonna take my razor and the line that I made. I'm just gonna highlight it a little bit with my razor. Once again, I'm not going for real huge lines. I'm just trying to give it more of a natural look rather than a deep line. I'll clean this up a little bit too. Yeah, I did a shaving video, so you look at that one so you can see what I did there also. Don't think the only way is to go to the barber. With a little skill and practice. Oh, and I messed up a whole lot of times before I got it right. But you can. DIY. Do it yourself. All right. Let's see how that looks. Hey, that's not too bad if I do say so myself. And I do. Uh-oh. See, that's something you gotta do. I'm gonna fix that little bit up because I overlooked that hair over there. So that's why it's good to always check yourself out again, especially in the mirror. So, as you can see, not too many areas I need to fix up. We'll go ahead and do this little touch-ups. I hope you enjoyed this, and don't be afraid to try some things out for yourself. All right, take care, be blessed. I'll see you next time.